Okay, for this video guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung live withdrawal ng ating investment dito sa alsonspower.com. Okay, so kung makikita nyo, meron tayo diyang balance na 470, may remaining balance tayo sa recharge na 160 and 310 for withdrawal. Okay, so next natin na gagawin ay punta tayo sa withdrawal. So makita nyo, mayroon tayong existing na account balance sa 310.01. So yung amount ang ating i-withdraw. So 310 pesos and our password. So since meron tayong GCash, no, na siyang mode of payment diyan, so automatic siya na mag-pop up. So kung makikita ngayon natin guys, yung sa withdrawal amount is already turned into 0. From 310 naging 0 na. So as well as ang balance natin. So now guys, kung makita nyo, mayroon diyang withdrawal record sa 310. So that 310 will be deducted by the 8% withdrawal tax rate. So withdrawal records again, 310 in progress. So wait lang natin na papasok sa ating GCash. So ang time ngayon guys is 12:56. Okay, so ngayon ang time is 1:02 PM. So pumasok na sa ating GCash. Kung balikan natin guys ang ating system, so ang ating withdrawal records is already successful. So legit siya guys, no? Nakapag-withdraw na tayo dito. So from this guys, so ang aking review dito, no, as of now, that ang website nito ay still paying po, no? So it is legit. So kung kayo guys, kung gusto niyo mag-invest sa website na ito, just click the link below, no? So that you can register also. Okay? Thank you for watching everyone and God bless.